The Maverick Show.
We're meant to lead extraordinary lives. And somehow along the way, we get kind of lulled into a sedentary lifestyle where we're expected to go to a 9 to 5 and expected to be in a cubicle. And somehow people get the idea that that's normal. To me, this is how we're meant to live. We are hardwired as a species. We've lived in tribes far longer than we haven't. And I think there's something that is unacknowledged with this whole travel program thing where remote year provided like the modern day tribe. You felt it. It's a squad. It's your people and you're moving as a unit from place to place. I don't think we can underestimate the value of returning to this tribal existence. I think there's something incredibly powerful about that just like, at least in my situation, it awakened me. It revitalized me. I was in a kind of a social rut prior to going into remote year. And it just like shocked me back to life.
To listen to the full episode, go to www.themaverickshow.com.